Welcome back. RV102 Preventive Maintenance Lesson 10 De-Winterizing. So this is your spring task if you've winterized your RV. Disclaimers. Standard disclaimer on all Amazon links. It helps support me continuing to author books and courses. You pay nothing extra by clicking on that affiliate link, but I do make a small commission on your purchase. Everything in here in this course was written by me. There is no artificial intelligence AI in this course. Any mistakes you find are truly mine and mine alone. Lesson 10.1, De-Winterizing. The biggest thing to do here is getting rid of the RV antifreeze you put in your plumbing system prior to this past winter. If you used air in your water system to do your winterization, you can skip most of this lesson. Let's talk about that first. Assuming it was winterized by putting the, quote, pink stuff, unquote, also known as RV antifreeze, through the pump into your water lines, let's get rid of that stuff. Keeping in mind, this is not like antifreeze in the radiator of your car. This stuff is safe to dump on the ground. It does not taste good. Yes, I've tasted it. Add water to your freshwater tank. You don't need a whole lot, just enough to run all the faucets. I do about a half a tank. You'll see why later. Notice we're doing nothing with the water heater, assuming winterization was done correctly and it was put on bypass, because there shouldn't be any pink stuff in there anyway. Once you've added water to your water tank, go through each faucet, both hot and cold, just like we did when we winterized, and this time we're going to run it until the pink stuff doesn't show anymore coming through the faucet, and it runs clear. Don't forget your outside showers, your outside kitchen. If you have an ice maker, you need to look in your owner's manual on how to deal with getting that flushed out, as well as your washing machines and your dishwashing machines. Once you've done all of that and everything is running with plain water and there's no more pink stuff, don't forget your toilet, it is time to sanitize the system, which will be covered in the next section, lesson 11. Other things to do: air out your RV, check your windows, make sure they're lubed up and they open nicely. Make sure the access to your appliances from the outside vent openings are clear, in case bugs decide to make a home there. Check your propane system for leaks. See lesson 3.1 of this course if you're not sure how to do a propane leak drop test. Turn on all your appliances, make sure they all work correctly. Check your tires for correct pressure and or turn on your TPMS, tire pressure management system, to make sure it's working correctly. Do your battery check for voltage. Make sure your converter is working correctly to charge the battery. Operate your slides to make sure they still work correctly. For you motorhome owners, make sure you check their fluids, start up your engine.